I have had this heatless curler just sitting in my drawer for weeks and today I finally decided to try it. My hair is slightly damp right now and I'm just combing it out. So this thing goes on top of your head. I'm taking small sections of my hair and wrapping it around and then securing it with a scrunchie. Repeat the same process on the other side. I'm gonna be sleeping like this, so yeah, pray for me. Good morning. So, this is what we are working with. This could be really cute or really bad. Okay, wait. This actually turned out so pretty. Like, yeah, I'm definitely doing this again.